Welcome, no pressure here. Just arrive as you are and drop your shoulders down. Let's get ready to start. Inhaling the shoulder up and back. Beautiful day again, we're so lucky. Inhale up, exhale back. Let them drop on their own. Then just smooth that into little rolls here. Don't force, never force. It's not good for our body. And forward. I'm going to give you a lot of options here to pick from. You only pick what fits your body. Little arms, add more arms to it. And then you skip what isn't for you. That's just that easy. We never stay very long in anything with Vinyasa yoga. We're a little flow and we keep on flowing. Little pause once in a while and that's it. Exhale, bring your hip back as if you're about to bend. Just bend your hips, send your bum back. We're gonna go into a chair pose. Send your bum back, bend your knees, bend your knee. Inhale, tuck in the belly, inhale your shoulders up. And your hands can be where you feel like it today. Just pose for the camera. Oh, inhale back up. Exhale, let's add the arm up. If they don't want to go up, you always have the option to keep them at your hips. We'll do a few here, go at your own pace. This is a great preparation for standing up from the floor if you ever need to, if you're stuck there. I've got a video just on that. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, let's go at the end of our mat here. Big inhale up, exhale your arms down. Inhale up, whatever up is to you, and with your own breath, exhale down. That tricked you, huh? Doesn't matter if you go out or you come back in, mix it up. Make it your own yoga. It's about you, your body, it's your yoga. Just mix it up. It's too much movement, just repeat the same, it's all good. Maybe this is what you're doing, and that is fine. Big inhale up, exhale at the hips, bend the knee. We're catching the mat here and walking forward. Drop your knees, we want to go in about a plank with our shoulder under our wrist if possible. I'm outside so it's all bumpy under my mat. And then the toes are tucked. We're gonna move into our down dog here. Nice inhale, exhale, bring your bum up and away. And we're just gonna walk our dog here, bringing our heel closer to the mat. And just walk. Each time one heel goes towards the mat, try to sink your chest a little deeper between your arms without forcing, of course. There. Tuck in your belly, tuck in your belly. That's an exercise on its own too. Oh, nice. Now, get ready. Here you have an option. We're gonna go in the crescent lounge, but you have an option to put your knees down. So it'd be crescent lounge or regular lounge or any lounge where you want. I like a regular one so I can tuck the side of my foot. And if it's not challenging enough, keep it in crescent for more balance. And a little more space between both feet this way. It's gonna give you a little bit more grounding if you need it. Now, if you want, bring an arm on the knee, which is above the ankle, of course. Just wave at me. Well, hello. Check your knee. Is it collapsing in? Bring that out a little bit. Bring that out. Outer spiral the thigh. And wave. Maybe your arms on your hip. Take a little break. Upper hip wants to go back. Shoulder wants to go back gently. Make sure the neck is relaxed. Oh, exhale. Fold both knees. And come towards the mat again, both feet facing me. We're just switching side, the easy, lazy, not lazy. Well, maybe it is lazy. No, that's what I feel like doing. And again, we're just repeating that on this side. Hip lifts, move back. Check your knee, make sure it's not collapsing inward. Wave at me if you want. If you don't, your hip's always an option. Or wave at me. Wave. Oh, open that up. Oh, look, maybe look up, look around. Nice. Slow, slow movement, very gentle. And let's stand up from here. Just push into your front foot. And we can just switch side like that. Slow. Nice little vinyasa. Ooh, a little balance here. We're not staying very long. It's balancing, spinning our feet. One last one, maybe. Oh. In, out, toes in, alien, no, yeah, toes in, alien. Oh, walk into place to find your mountain pose. Oh, just breathe here, huh? Maybe bringing our hands on our hips, maybe they're down. We're gonna exhale all the air out and press our belly button by itself, not fisting it in. Just press your belly button so it goes towards your spine. Round your shoulder in, look down a little bit. Inhale up and keep inhaling, belly button towards me. Exhale, cats and cow while standing. Oh, nice. We could have done that first, that would have been fine too. But that's okay. I put it there because it makes a nice little break from all those lounge with our legs, right? Ah, shoulder, let's go back in the front of our mat. Mountain pose. Oh, just take a moment to get grounded here. And one foot's gonna go forward for our lounge. So I'm already preparing my standing foot. I'm putting it a little bit to an angle, just a little bit. And I'm finding my roots. I'm picturing them growing from my toes, from anywhere under my feet. So all the weight is distributed. A little bend in the knee always. When you're ready, we're gonna step forward. Just a regular step, just to feel the water. And when you're ready, poof, come a little bit. A little closer, nice little eye lunge. Open the knee and then fix your foot to whatever feels good here. Give yourself some room. Tummy is in. Square the shoulder with the hips. So hips towards me and then shoulders. Tummy is tight. I like the cow. Tuck it in. Tuck it in. Just get situated there. Now square your hips towards your front foot. Maybe you want to move your heel a little bit in the back to accommodate that. Again, tummy is in, huh? And just nail the arm up if you want. If not, you know exactly where they go. You can interlace your fingers, bring them down to the knee. Look around. It's nice on the back, nice on the fingers, a little extra. Now the front foot's gonna push the arm back up. Exhale back down. Just one more. It's a little tough on the leg, huh? Second time around. Maybe not for you, but it is for me. And we're just switching sides, so both feet facing, and then just pivot. So ideally, you want your heel lined up with your arch, or make this, you stand a little wider for more balance if you want. I'm backing up my foot here. First, just square up with me just to get situated. Make sure your feet are grounded. Your leg is opened out. And only when you're ready, and if you want, it's your yoga. Nice inhale tall. Exhale the hips. Square them this way. Square your hips. And inhale your arms up. And maybe this is up. Maybe this is up enough. Maybe this is where they want to be. Or bring them all the way up. Interlace the finger if you want. Oh, nice little stretch. Exhale to the leg. Just breathe here. Remember not to hold your breath. We tend to do that when we're focusing a lot. Inhale up. Exhale down. Lots of exercise on the legs today, my goodness. Ooh. Heel toes, heel toes, heel toes. Just walk them in. And back at the start of our mat. We're in our mountain. And when you're ready, nice inhale up. Exhale down. Walk your hands away. Drop your knees if you want. If you're outside like me, push the bugs off your mat. Wherever you're comfortable. You can leave your knees down all the time if you want. Just push back, or you can lift them for a full down dog. So you pick what works for you. Works for you today. Oh, one of my pants legs is higher than the other. Was it like that the entire video? That's not where you're looking anyway. Oh, nice little still pose. Oh. And on an exhale, when you're ready, just bring one knee in and sit down with me. Oh, just for a moment here. Oh, opening the hips a little bit. Maybe bringing our arms as we just round the back. We're not doing anything complicated here. We're just relaxing our body. Relaxing the lower back. Maybe looking at your feet. Now, inhale, adding a little length. Exhale, round your back again. You can match that to your breath, or just enjoy your little forward, seated forward fold here. Looking at all the ants, bugs, everything that are allowed to exist as well. One arm. The other slides. Hello, hello. Open the shoulder. I'm pushing my hand and I'm pushing my hip out here a little bit. Feels good. Yeah, a little stretch. If your arm is up, it's opening a little more. Yeah, come back to center. And when you're ready, choo-choo. You don't have to go far. You don't have to go high. That's not what yoga is about. What it's about is keeping both sit bone, if possible, on the mat. It's about moving. It's about feeling good. It's about doing what's good for your own body. We don't compete with the people next to us. They're built different. They're doing their own modification. Oh. Come back. And just take your hips. Take your hips and turn them a little bit to the side. Then your shoulder, your head. Just look a little bit. I'm adding a mini bend to it, why not? And other side, hips first, then shoulder and neck. And maybe I'm gonna lean a little bit, pressing on my legs, so I'm getting a hip opener. A little twist, a nice side bend, all at once. You got to do that when you got those small little 10-minute videos, get the most out of your little time that you've got. Oh my goodness, big inhale up, exhale down. I am Anne-Marie, the yoga storyteller with That's Life Yoga. Thank you so much for joining me today, and namaste. See you soon. I'll be right there waiting for you.